Drew is looking through his book of trucks, aren't you? Tell us about your trucks. Oh, excuse you.
Ooh, kakari, kakutene,
Huh?
wesi, yote, ezitene. Ooh, kakbile, yupichasune, yakokokune. Ooh, kakari, yakwani. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, Friday.
Yeah. What is it? Oh, it's the claw! Oh, the claw is getting you! It's the claw. You found it. The truck with the claw. There it is.
It's right.
The claw. Yeah. Is that the claw?
Then,
Uh-huh.
mm.